Welcome back, guys, to another amazing video. On today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my authentic Jamaican carrot juice with just a few simple ingredients that you may or may not have in your kitchen. So first thing we need is our carrot. What I'm using in this video is 2 pounds of carrot. We're gonna need our Guinness, our rum, our nutmeg, our cinnamon, our milk, our supplement. Yeah, that's simple enough, guys. So let's get right into it. For this, I'm not using a strainer. I'm using a clean washcloth. This is just a traditional way of how I grew up seeing my people straining their juice, using a clean washcloth. But yeah, I'm not using a strainer for this video, guys. So, you can't make it be authentic if you're not doing it the traditional way, guys. So, yes. This glass is from my kitchen to yours. So thanks for watching, guys, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching this video, and if you're also new, please give me a subscribe. I would gladly appreciate it. So see you guys in my next video. Walk safe. Bye, guys.